Today we're going to look at a Rigid Industries 20-inch light bar. It's the SR2, as you can see on the package here. We've got these packages pre-opened. You kind of looked at them in advance, but we'll open up again, let you take a look at everything you get. So this does come with mounting brackets, but I ordered some special brackets that are supposed to be no drilling, no cutting, all bolt-up deal for a 2017 Dodge 3500 Ram. So let's take a look at those first. Box came, everything was loose in there, but came with a sack. I just had it closed at the top with these brackets. And basically, these brackets, you're going to take your tow hooks off on the bumper and mount this bracket, and the tow hooks will go and the bolts will go right back on over it. And so this will be able to mount the light bar between these two brackets. Supposed to be no drilling, no fuss, no muss, just to unbolt it and bolt it back up. As for the light bar, this was surprisingly heavy. Not that it's a bad thing, I mean, I just felt versus the Chinese ones, which are kind of light and chintzy, I was kind of surprised how substantial this was. So inside, it's kind of packed with a bunch of cardboard holding it in place. You see it? They're kind of stuffed into here, into these pieces here. So you get some your wiring, some other odds and ends hardware, and a switch, and then you get the actual unit itself mounted in here. And there's some stickers and not very much in the way of instructions. Matter of fact, pretty poor instructions. And I didn't see much of anything online either. We'll go into that later, why that might be important. See, these are just kind of stuck in a hole inside the cardboard here to hold it in place. Light bar comes wrapped in a plastic bag. And again, like I said, it's substantial. It feels durable, sturdy, versus the Chinese ones. And you can see everything's sealed. All the connections are waterproof, watertight appearing. Got quite an elaborate venting system to keep it cool. So this is the hyper spot. The center LEDs here will reach way out. They claim like a mile. Then these next four here kind of point a little of an angle, and these point more of an angle to get you a wide beam and a long beam at the same time. So that's what you get. Let's have another video here real quick about mounting this. Oh, I should probably look at the wiring a little bit more. And that's where people are having problems in the wiring, especially if they have dedicated switches already in their truck. The outfitter switches. That's just the solenoid. This goes to the battery, direct mount to the battery's power. Again, that's not a big issue. There's the plug that goes to the light itself. What people are having issues with is these three wires and what they do. And if you have a dedicated switch already mounted in your truck, like the new Fords and Dodges have, you're only going to use that one wire, the blue wire. That's the one that's going to power up send power to the relay, which will open the power from the battery. These other two are to ground and power your switch that they give you. And that's so it can be illuminated. And since it's all plastic and could be mounted in plastic, it has a ground and a power. So that's where people are getting upset, not understanding that these extra wires are not necessary if you already have a switch that's powered lit in your vehicle. So that's about it. Now I'll do a mounting video later.